In 2025, AI isn't the future, it's the fastest wealth vehicle alive. While the world scrolls, a few people are building lean, automated businesses and getting filthy rich. In this video, I'll show you 5 real AI business models that are working right now. No code, no hype, just real income, how they scale, and how much you can earn solo or with a small team. First up, building and selling AI agents. These are small tools that automate things like lead qualification, appointment booking, or email replies. You don't need to code. You use tools like N8N, OpenAI, CrewAI, drag and drop, and you're good. Freelancers charge $100 to $250 an hour to build them. But the real money? Retainers. You charge $500 to $5K a month to keep the AI running for the client. With 5 clients, you're doing $10K a month solo. With a small team of 5 handling onboarding, builds, and support, you can hit $100K a month or more recurring. Next, prompt engineering. You're not just writing prompts, you're building reusable systems. For law firms, real estate, coaches, content teams, everyone needs optimized prompts. People pay $300 to $2,000 per project. Or you package your prompt stacks and sell them like software. Solo, that's $6 to $10K a month. With 5 specialists targeting different industries, you can scale to $60K a month and become the go-to AI prompt agency in your niche. Third play, white label AI tools. You build one smart tool, like a landing page generator, an ad writer, or a lead follow-up bot. Then let other agencies rebrand and resell it. Think SaaS. Without writing any code. Sell it for $199 per month with a $500 onboarding fee. Land 20 clients, and that's $4K per month recurring plus $10K upfront. With a team of 5 handling demos, support, and outreach, you can scale to $20K to $50K per month and beyond. Passive income plus productized service equals serious leverage. Number 4, AI-powered translation and localization. You help creators, coaches, and businesses turn English content into global content. Clone their voice with ElevenLabs, use Whisper for subtitles, and publish in 3+ languages. You can charge $300 to $2,000 per project or monthly retainers. Solo equals $6K a month. With 5 people, scale to $15K to $30K a month, doing something high value with very little competition. This is how creators go international, and they'll pay for it. And number 5, AI e-commerce automation. You help brands automate everything: product descriptions, abandoned cart emails, inventory alerts, even ad copy. You set it up once and charge $500 to $2K a month to manage it. Land 5 stores solo, $6K a month. With 5 team members onboarding brands, managing workflows, and support, you can serve 30+ stores and hit $60K a month recurring. You become the invisible AI operations team behind successful online brands. AI isn't about replacing you, it's about multiplying you. You don't need investors, you don't need code, you just need the tools, the know-how, and the nerve to start. Drop a comment, which model are you starting first? This is DriftIntel, Signals of the Future. Stay sharp, stay free, stay rich.